Namaste. I have a very special invitation for you. Yogandha is all about going deeper with essential oils, be that for your own calm, be that for meditation, be that for better sleep, be that for mindset, focus, manifesting, whatever your well-being intention is. The oils do that in two ways. One, the properties that they have themselves carry you toward that goal. But the second is to bring your intentionality to it. And that's what really supercharges their potency when you're more intentional in their use. So I would like to invite you to a very special experience. It's a Fragramation workshop experience. So what is a Fragramation? Fragramation is when we take your intention, we align one of our blends to it, and we create an affirmation that you can apply the oil with the affirmation to supercharge you toward your goal, whatever that is, better sleep, easier waking up, manifesting something, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. It's about supercharging the oils with your intention and with the words to supercharge you toward your goal, your wellness goal. So what is this experience? It's going to be a Zoom workshop that we all do together, but actually the experience has three parts. First part is you'll get a complete set of oils, and each one of those is going to be right for the intention that you want to manifest. The second is a Zoom meeting where I will teach you how to do a Fragramation, but rather than saying, what is it you want to achieve? Oh, this one's right. I will help you, bring you to a place where you can intuit what is the right oil for you to bring you towards that. So that is the deeper work that we do. That's so exciting and what I want you to really learn from me. Then the third part is actually a one-on-one session with me. This will be after the group workshop where we will create a bespoke Fragramation for you. I am so excited about this. I am so confident that it's going to work because I've been doing it for years, but I'm just aware that a lot of people are using my oils at a certain level. Now they have depth. They have so much depth in themselves. But when you bring this intentionality to them, it's just incredible how much more you get out of them. I'm so passionate about this. I am offering a 90-day fully money back guarantee because I am so confident that if you use the oils with this intentionality, that if after 90 days you are not progressing significantly towards your goal, whatever it is, calmer in your day, better sleep at night, whatever it is, you'll have your own intentions. I offer a fully 90-day guarantee, full money back 90-day guarantee. I'm so confident that it's going to work. And it's so important to me that you take the oils to this deeper level. Okay, so I hope you will jump on this with me. Now, it's very restricted because I'm doing one-on-one, so it's very restricted. I'm opening this opportunity to get into this program for 5 days, only for 5 days, because after that I'll have to close it off. So please come on in with me. You're very welcome to buy one for yourself. You can buy one for a friend or somebody else that you think would benefit from this. It's somebody who has something specific. It could be manifesting, but it could just be something very specific in their own wellness, no matter how physical. The oils work on every level, particularly when you bring intentionality on every level. So physical, mental, whatever it is, we will go deeper on that and we will make significant steps towards that. Okay, so I'm really excited. Jump on in. Only 5 days, so please get in now to grab it, and I'll see you in there. Namaste.